AfriForum initiates legal action against Hlophe's JSC appointment by Satori News. In a major legal escalation, AfriForum, the South African civil rights watchdog, has initiated legal proceedings against the appointment of Dr. John Hlophe to the Judicial Services Commission, JSC. The dispute stems from the recent decision by the National Assembly, NA, to appoint the former judge president, whose track record has been marred by allegations of gross misconduct. The organization has approached the Constitutional Court, advocating that Hlophe's appointment contravenes the principles enshrined in the nation's constitution. AfriForum's legal maneuvers have included serving electronic court documents to the Speaker of Parliament, Dr. John Hlophe himself, and the MK Party, signaling the beginning of a legal feud that could have wide-reaching implications for the legal community and beyond. At the core of AfriForum's argument is the concern over the integrity of the judiciary. Hlophe, who was previously found unfit by the JSC due to dishonesty and gross misconduct, is expected to play a role in the assessment of prospective judges' ethics, integrity, and suitability, as expressed by AfriForum CEO Callie Creel. The notion of Hlophe sitting on the JSC is raising serious questions about the impartiality and credibility of the judiciary, a foundational pillar of democracy. Creel insists that Hlophe's presence on the JSC is a contradiction to what the institution stands for and a blow to the rule of law in South Africa. Their litigation stresses that the National Assembly has failed in its constitutional mandate to ensure the independence and effectiveness of the courts by nominating Hlophe. Further emphasizing the urgency of the situation, AfriForum points to the JSC's upcoming schedule to interview judicial candidates in October. They argue that allowing Hlophe to participate would irreparably damage public confidence in judicial proceedings. This forthcoming event adds a time-sensitive aspect to the legal proceedings. Dr. John Hlophe's history is not without controversy. He carries the notorious distinction of being the first judge removed by the NA post-1994 due to a JSC ruling on his misconduct. The incident in question relates to his attempts to sway Constitutional Court judges in decisions pertaining to former President Jacob Zuma. As South Africa grapples with the adequate administration of justice, this struggle between AfriForum and state institutions underscores the fragility of public trust in legal structures and the lengths to which civil society organizations are willing to go to protect the sanctity of judicial processes. Thank you for choosing Satori News.